Hello! I want to talk about why organic gardening is amazing. Basically, organic gardening means using organic fertilizers and pesticides, actually solving the problem long term, not a quick fix with chemicals that kill soil life. To have a good garden, you need good soil. Good soil is full of bugs, microbes, and more, that are essential for your plants. Chemicals are bad for these things, and the environment. The Soil Association did a review of the nutrient information available, comparing the vitamin and mineral content of organic and conventionally grown food. They found on average, organic food contains higher levels of vitamin C, and essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, iron, and chromium. The lack of pesticides, and wider variety of plants in an organic garden enhances the biodiversity, makes better soil, and reduces pollution from fertilizer or pesticide runoff. So, it's better for the environment, it's better for you, and it's better for all the life in your garden. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.